automatic once you on him. Once you get the diatone, man, it's just automatic. It's good thing when you.
No, you don't think I know that? You don't think I know that?
Alright, what that shit then?
Keep saying it, bitch, bro.
Don't say that.
Oh, you recording me right now?
Yeah.
Hey. Welcome.
Every time the camera comes on, you don't act like yourself. I was really nervous in class.
I didn't know his number no more. Who cut your hair out here?
Anyway.
That's how you got to text down here in the sip.
It's Friday. It's 9:57. I'm exhausted.
I gotta
I'm
get
tired.
some gas.
Yeah, you gotta get some gas. I'm exhausted.
My
and
car
tired.
empty.
I'm waiting for Nissan to call me so I can get my car. Because I got my car towed yesterday. Because my car didn't want to start. But the moment the moment AAA got here, then it started. So what? It might be something in my engine, bad gas or something, or I might have a hole in my fuel line. But Nissan hasn't called me yet. They might call me after they fix it. So he took me to class, right? He didn't have class today.
I'm bringing my water.
I came out of class and I was like, ooh, you want to go get some Simply? Because it's called Simply to Go, so you'll get, order food or whatever. It's like a little restaurant. I'm like, you want to get some Simply to Go? And then I turn around and look at the back seats. He already ate breakfast.
I really wasn't supposed to be here right now. I was supposed to be going to
Technically,
get a
I do
haircut.
have another class, but I don't have it today, so.
Oh, so you're done for today?
Just waiting on Nissan. I feel like I want to call them because I'm just like an anxious parent.
Give it about an hour. 11 o'clock. Right before they go to lunch. Just ask.
And then pick it up at like 3.
Y'all got my car.
I want to get it today. I want to get my car today.
Still, that's what I said.
Even though the only reason I can't like rush them is because it didn't get there till 4 o'clock yesterday. So he must have drove slow. I forgot to charge the battery this morning, so I only charged it for like 10 minutes. So the camera might die at some point.
It's about halfway charged, so that's good.
I'm looking at it though. When it start blinking, flashing, then it's about to zone.
But anyway,
I gotta stop looking at the screen. So the camera he got me has a flip up screen. We keep looking at the actual screen instead of looking at the lens. Like, I need to look at the lens.
It's up there, but the lens is right.
Well, I'll show y'all later in the mirror. I have to show you in the mirror in order to see.
Yeah, because it's kind of disoriented. It's kind of hard to like. On camera, I'm reaching to my right, but on camera it's like
reaching to. It's weird, but whatever.
But like I said, we finna go grab her some breakfast.
And I'm gonna grab some coffee from Starbucks.
They're not open right now.
Why?
I don't know. The gate was closed. But when I went to get my breakfast, she was walking over there with all the vanilla and mocha stuff. So
she probably was the only person over there. Sometimes, was it the older lady?
No, it was the one that's the one that been doing this since we've been going to Starbucks.
All this semester.
Yeah.
Got you. Sorry if y'all can hear that noise. Can y'all see the garbage can over there? Getting trash, but I'm sitting in Jay's car right now, and we're going to go to the beauty supply. I just finished with class and everything. It's 12:11 now, and we're gonna ride to the beauty supply so I can get a few things that I need. Anybody else do that? Y'all go to the beauty supply at least like once a week or every other week, or I don't know. I just need to go with stuff that I need. I'm waiting on him. He was cleaning out his trunk. Let me show you my gym shoes he was talking about earlier. I just got on my Huaraches. But we not matching because he didn't wear his. He wore his
You should have told me you was wearing your blue shirt.
But I didn't want you to. I mean, you brought the outfit specifically for something else. I didn't want you to waste it on today.
I didn't buy it for specific nothing else.
I don't know.
Just bought it to look good.
so empty like sky. So empty like sky, without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry, 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 without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry. So empty like sky. So empty like sky, without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry, 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 without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry.
Okay, y'all, so I've been giving my camera some time to charge up. It's still not fully charged. It cut off in the middle of me talking. Right now I am finishing up some internship applications that are due like at the end of the month, beginning of February. I just want to get them all done by Monday, so that I don't have to, keep basically procrastinating is what I'm doing. So I'm finishing these up right now, and I just put the clothes in the dryer, and I'm kind of all over the place because I was about to clean out my makeup drawers or whatever, and I pulled some stuff out of one drawer to start, and then I was like, check your email real quick because you just haven't checked it since this morning. I was like, check your email before you start. And then when I checked it, I had some emails reminding me of a few applications that I needed to finish. You really did order a book? You just weren't playing with it?
Huh?
You really did order a book?
What you talking about?
I thought you were just playing.
You talking about out of the bookstore?
No, on Amazon.
Yeah.
I thought you were playing. I just got so frustrated because I didn't find anything in the bookstore.
Well, you should be frustrated with yourself, because she's the one that suggested we go in there and look for something. Snatch my seatbelt again.